The heavy rains come on the same day we're hearing reports of the summer's first human case of West Nile virus in New York.
And that prompted the Chemung County Health Department to remind us that standing water is a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And WENY HD's Tangeraki found out while some upstate counties are spraying for mosquitoes, there are no such plans here. She's got some precautions you can take at home.
Candace and Scott, puddles of water like what's in this trash can are prime examples of where mosquitoes like to lay their eggs. People can prevent mosquitoes from multiplying by dumping water out and wiping surfaces down. The first case of West Nile virus was reported today in Cayuga County.
We know that West Nile virus has a good chance of being in our area. So without knowing, through a test of a human, we have to assume that it's here.
The majority of cases in the U.S. occur between the months of July and September, before the ground freezes and mosquitoes die. Mosquitoes make their homes in puddles of standing water in places like pools, old tires, and gutters.
But now that the cover is on, it's possible that mosquitoes could be on there. So, but I do have a 4-year-old daughter, so that's a concern. So we kept the mosquito spray out pretty much this year.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 5,500 cases of West Nile were reported in the U.S. last year. 286 were fatal.
Down by the river, there are a lot of bugs and mosquitoes and things like that. Like if the city, sprayed more, I guess we wouldn't have such a big problem.
But spraying costs tens of thousands of dollars, and Tom Kump doesn't recall when Chemung County last had a treatment.
Most of the spraying that I'm aware of has either been in the western part of the state, out in the Chautauqua, Cattaraugus area, or downstate in the New York City, Long Island area.
So instead, he offers these tips. Eliminate standing water in your yard, unclog roof gutters, empty unused swimming pools, and remove old tires or any unused containers that might hold water. According to the CDC, as of September 10, 696 people reported having West Nile. 28 of them died. Reporting in Horseheads, Tangeraki, WENY HD News.